Yes, Babu. Hi,
yeah, these are your best talents.
Hello, guys.
Because of the time,
How are you, my friend? Thank you.
because of the time, we just go straight.
Number one himself coming to grace this close
to Safari Rally so that we can continue having this thrill around the county. There are many areas of tourism destinations within the county of Nakuru. I welcome you. Even next year, we look forward to it and we continue to enjoy hosting.
my brother Honorable Cleophas Malala, karibu sana SG. I also want to acknowledge our members of parliament, the PS for tourism, the PS for performance and delivery, Veronica Nduva, the PS for higher education, incredibly hard to deliver a successful event. And so all our partners, the Kenya Commercial Bank, Asante, on long into the future. May it only get better, deeper, better, swankier. That we have been undertaking on your instructions. We'll continue this process of reforming, improving, to report to you that the 4 women crews are still in it. Out of the over 50 drivers that entered this competition, of the 14, invest heavily in growing young talents under the Talanta Hela initiative. Otherwise, Wakenya, asanteni sana. You have been incredible as